It's quite easy sometimes in DaVinci Resolve to end up with a little bit of a problem, and you might only notice this when you've rendered your video, or worse still, when you've given it to a client or uploaded it to YouTube when it's kind of too late after it's been published. And that's if you're moving things around, you might have accidentally shifted things just a little bit too far. And the easiest way to show this is if I click on this clip here, come up to the inspector, and say we're moving this thing left and right, and maybe we just have accidentally not quite moved it far enough. If I zoom in, maybe we've just got a couple of pixels too much there. At the minute, I've got the viewer background set to checkerboard, so you can kind of see there might be a problem there. In previous versions of DaVinci Resolve, if you click this button and come down to viewer background, you probably would have seen something that looks like this, where you've got this black line because the black part is you're kind of merging into the actual part of the image. DaVinci Resolve 20 introduces a new option. So again, click this button, come down to viewer background, and we've now got this new alert red, which is really nicely named. If I click on this, we can see this really bright red strip here, and this is an indication that we've actually got a problem because we haven't quite centered up our image. And so I'd recommend in most cases to start using this alert red viewer background. It's going to prevent little tiny problems from getting too far down the production workflow.